Felony fleeing. Ryan Brown from J. Ryan Brown Law. He did a video the other day on felony fleeing and how the penalties have increased as of last year. But I want to talk about how judges in the Coweta Circuit and prosecutors are handling fleeing cases. There was an absolute rash of cases kind of during COVID and thereafter, specifically in response to kind of the George Floyd situation, Ahmaud Arbery situation. There was a lot of fear among the public from law enforcement, and it led to a lot of fleeing cases. So how have the prosecutors and the judges responded? They have responded with a heavy hand, most all the time on a felony fleeing case. Unless there is some extenuating circumstance, the judges and the prosecutors are routinely imposing prison sentences in the State Department of Corrections. So on rare occasions, perhaps there's a defense or perhaps there's some issue with the state's case. We have seen things happen otherwise, go a different way, where someone maybe got a fine or something like that. But in general, felony fleeing is treated just about as harshly as any other kind of charge that is not a 7 deadly. So short of the murders and the serious matters, felony fleeing gets dealt with a harsh hand and probably has a higher percentage of incarceration than just about any other charge, maybe other than trafficking and the drugs and the 7 deadlies. Fleeing is very serious. Make sure you're talking to your lawyer about what y'all's plan is. Is it going to be a blind plea, a negotiated plea, a trial? Those are things you need to be talking about with your counsel. But know that if you have a fleeing charge, even if you got a bond at first appearance, it's very serious and you need to be taking proactive steps. Call us if you have questions at 470-635-1725.